Look at these two skin swatches. Same pencils, same paper, same amount of time. One looks like living skin, the other looks like a crayon coloring sheet. The difference? Temperature. I made one mistake for years, and it was making all my portraits look flat and lifeless. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what that mistake is and how to fix it using nothing but your Prismacolor pencils. Hey, I'm Pencil&Prompt, and if you've been watching my channel, you know I've been teaching myself realistic portrait drawing with colored pencils. Recently, I got some critique on a portrait using Claude AI, and the feedback was that my skin tones were flat and the shadows were the wrong temperature. Here's what I did wrong. See this area under the eye? I used warm sienna and orange tones in the shadow. Looks almost like a bruise, right? That's because shadows on fair skin are cool, blue and violet, not warm. I was doing the exact opposite of what I should have been doing. So today, I built a full skin temperature training guide, 10 swatches, each one showing you exactly which Prismacolor pencils to layer, in what order, and why. I'm going to work through 3 of them with you in real time, so you can see the transformation happening. By the end of this video, you'll understand why warm light cool shadow is the most important principle in portrait drawing, and you'll have the exact pencil numbers to fix it yourself. The guide is linked in the description. It's completely free. Let's get into it. Here's what I learned from this practice in one sentence. Warm light, cool shadow. Always. In most portrait lighting, whether it's sunlight, studio light, window light, the light source has a warm quality. It pushes yellow, peach, and orange into the lit areas of skin. The shadows, which receive no direct light, pick up the ambient color of the environment, which is usually a cooler blue or violet from the sky or the room around them. For colored pencil artists, this means your first layers in the light zones should be warm, peach, cream, goldenrod. Your layers in the shadow zones should be cool, periwinkle, blue-violet, blue slate. You can still use siennas and browns for midtones, but those final shadow layers, cool, always cool. Next video, I'm going to take everything from today's swatch practice and apply it to a full portrait. You'll see the warm, cool principle working on actual eyes, nose, and lips, all in real time. That video goes up, day date. Subscribe so you don't miss it.